Hi, a very good day to one and all. Today in this video, I want to give the accreditation and outcome-based learning assignment 5 solutions. For question number 1, I selected A and B are the best answers. According to my knowledge, I selected these questions and these answers for these questions. Coming to the question number 2, I selected A as the best answer and 3D is the best answer, and for 4 A and D are the best answers, and for 5 A and B are the best answers. Now the problem is here 6 to 9 we have to calculate the PO weights attainments. Here the table is given, so whenever we are going to calculate the PO weights, and for this we have to use some Excel table here. The final attainment of the COs, whatever they have given, I have taken in the Excel table like this: the 2.1, 2.8, 1.0, and whatever values they have given in the PO table, the domain specific and domain independent values, whatever they have given, like slight, moderate, substantial, high, these values I have same values I pasted here, and I calculated the average of each and every PO here. And finally I have mapped with all these things, so I have calculated the weight of each and every PO by using this particular formula. Let us see this formula, that is dollar $b2, that is 2.10 b value b2 here. Okay, and next what we are getting into C8. C8 is the value of the first CO value, that is C8. And again coming to the B2, B3 for next one C9, and again like this the next one is the B4, B4 with C10. This is the C10 value here. So finally the average C11 I calculated. For the same type I have calculated for the D. For the same type I have calculated for E and D and E and all these things vice versa. Totally I got the values like this, and based on these values I selected my answers. What is the answer here? Calculate the attainment weight of PO9. PO9. What is the value of the PO9? I got 2.1. So I selected 2.1 here. Calculate the attainment weight of PO3. What is the weight of PO3? 2.38. I have selected the 2.38 here. And calculate the attainment weight of PO2. So what is the attainment of PO2? 1.96. The answer is available here, 1.96. And calculate the attainment weight of PO11. What is the attainment weight of PO11? All are zeros, so obviously it is also 0. I selected 0 for this. And coming to the 10th question, I considered A and B are the best answers. Thank you. Thank you for watching.